Okay, we're going to look at calculating the start and end period for observing stars. Our ship's keeping universal time minus 9 hours is the evening of the 23rd of January, and we're given our DR position. So we go in the tables 23rd of January and we find between latitude 35 and 40 north our latitude of 37 degrees 20 fits, and at 40 north and 35 north we write down the three: sunset, civil and nautical, and I've put an X there for the values that we're looking for. We now, using the interpolation tables at the back of the book, we're between 35 and 40 north, so there's a 5-degree difference, and we're going from the lower towards the higher, so the difference there is 2 degrees 20. So we use the 5 degrees and go down to the nearest to 2 degrees 20, go across and read off the differences there, having looked up the differences between. So we've got 11, 10 and 7, and that's the values we'd look at up here. Come down and read off our interpolated values, and we find that we've got to apply 2 minutes, 4 minutes and 4 minutes. Therefore that gives us a correction of 5, 4 from 10 is 6, 4 from 11 is 7. Apply that to the time: 17, 19, 7, 17, 12, that one, that one, that one, and that gives us the values for 37 degrees 20 north. What we do now, we write those down. So I've carried these three values to here, and these are the local time, not the ship's time, so that's the local time. Apply your longitude in time, and that will give you the universal time for the values. Of course that takes us to the 24th of January GMT. Apply the time zone that the ship's keeping, and then that will give us the ship's time. So notice the difference between the ship's time and the local time. And of course what we want is our period of observation, so that period will go from the midpoint between these two and the midpoint between these two. So we've got our midpoints, so the period will be 1741 to 1810 hours. So don't forget, once you've got the local time, that isn't the answer. You must apply your longitude to give you universal, and then apply the time zone to give you the actual values for ship's time on the 23rd of January.